Business Pilot, the business management system built for installers by installers. Business Pilot is the most advanced system available for installers, designed specifically around the needs of your installation business. There are so many reasons why Business Pilot is the right choice for your business. Here are just a few. Business Pilot was built on the cloud. This makes it far quicker and far more resilient than systems that are simply hosted on the cloud. All of your information, documents, images, voice recordings, and more are all secure and backed up for your peace of mind. You can access your system on any device from anywhere. Business Pilot takes things all the way from inquiry to post-installation service calls. Your web inquiries can link directly to the system, and you can connect your accounting software too. Not only that, but you can also register your installations with Fencer. Business Pilot makes working with your other systems easy. Talking of apps, we provide a free app for your users to use in the field. Of course, the whole system works on a mobile device, but our app makes those on-site tasks even easier. All the information added to the app is instantly available within the main system, in the right area for everyone else to see. The key to any system is the information it gives you to assist you and your team to work smarter. Business Pilot lets you see everything you need to see. It could be as simple as seeing the outstanding tasks for all the users in your company, or it might be the management information and reporting section. In here, you have reports for every area of the business. You get to see the true profitability of jobs or where jobs may be getting stuck. You get to see your sales pipeline and the performance of each salesperson, all at the click of a button. You will see some of the reports come from our unique status progression feature. Status progressions allow you to map out various processes you use to get from A to B in leads or contracts, according to the type of inquiry or project. As your users progress leads and contracts through these progressions, the system will trigger activities such as automated emails, saving you valuable time and creating consistency. Another unique feature to Business Pilot is the schedule board. Within contracts, you can assign a number of fitting days to a contract. These days appear on the board to be scheduled. Once on the board, you can not only get a clear view of which teams are installing when and where, you can add other trades too. You can also see whether you have a confirmed delivery date for your POs, and even if they have already arrived and been booked in. Not only that, the entire schedule board is synced to your financial reporting. As you move installations around, your contract is updated, and so are all the relevant reports. These are just some of the highlights of Business Pilot. Are you ready to grow your business? Let Business Pilot do some of the heavy lifting. Take a free trial today. Business Pilot, for installers, by installers.